Ni urimi uria uthiete na mbere kuhimbirio ni arimi matiganite riu ataramu makiendekithia arimi gukorwo makimathira ugi wigi urimi wa muhia undu uria ungimateithiriria kwimathira umithio makiria.
The recent varieties are well improved. The level of cyanide is low.
Kuringana na mutaramu Rosemary Lima kuma ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa urimi rwa KALRO, uhimbirio wa mithemba mieru ya muhia ni undu ungiteithiriria kuongerera magetha.
Also this sorghum for dual purpose. You can always go for value addition, not necessarily feeding your animals and also feeding yourself. You can also do something that you can sell outward there and you can still get income out of it.
Naguo mwihoko makiria wa thoko ukoneka gukorwo gicuniria kuona kambuni cia uthondeki wa njohi ire cemba gukorwo ikigura muhia uyu makiria muhia muthemba uikaine ta Gadam.
Breweries are really looking for a certain type of sorghum which is Gadam, and if farmers could come to our place and maybe also partner with these breweries companies, they are very sure after they have planted they have the ready market.
Ningi muhia ukagwetwo ta irio cia mahiu iria igiteithiriria kunyihia garama ya urithi na gikiro kinene.
Maize stovers you only plant once and you are done until the next year, but for sorghum when you plant once, then when it is at the stage where you can cut, then you can go back, you leave it ratoons. Okay, you can cut twice in a year and then it can even go up to 5 years.
Kwa ihinda riria arimi no memathire mbegu cia muhia wa gikiro kia iguru kuma ruhonge ruothe rwa uthuthuria wa urimi rwa KALRO. Handũ-inĩ ha mĩthia ũnjũria Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.